We got live in this. That's what we're here for. We're going welcome. Live. You guys are curing concrete and verifying the conditions?
We have these sensors that you attach to the rebar, you pour on top, and then they connect wirelessly to your phone, and you can monitor temperature, maturity, strength of your concrete in real time.
Cool. Tell us a little bit about Fox blocks.
Yeah, so Fox blocks are a forming solution. They just happen to stay in place.
Okay.
So for reinforced concrete.
For reinforced concrete. Okay.
We're going to build vertical walls.
Okay, how tall can these go?
We find 22 stories.
22 stories?
We do some 54-foot tall IMAX walls.
Now, can you pour that continuously?
No, you're going to build. We're going to build and pour in lifts.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay. How high a lift can you do?
Typically anywhere from 8 to 14 feet is what we see.
Well, that's awesome.
About a story at a time.
Good God!
We're in a lot of sectors right now. We're doing hundreds of schools, Department of Defense, hospitality, lots of hotels, residential basements.
Structural and thermal is good for thermal and structural.
And an air barrier and water barrier.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Above grade, that's right.
Joe, tell us a little bit about what you guys do with Project Atlas.
Yeah, so at Project Atlas, we take project information like your 2D drawings, your BIM model, and we convert that data into a highly rich, zoomable map. So Google Maps for construction is the way people like to call it. So we take project information and we geo-reference it into the real world. So you're standing in the building, you want to know information about the wall you're standing in front of, you just pull out your phone, press locate me, it finds you, and you click on the wall, it tells you all the details about it. So quick, rapid access to information.
How long, would you guys say you're a startup? How long you guys been around?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we're definitely a startup. Yeah, so the idea came to us while we were working at Rogers O'Brien Construction several years ago. Really kind of more of a hack idea, and slowly over time it kind of gained steam, and then just last October we released it to the whole industry. So actually this is showing a live job site. You can see the workers on the job site. What we were just doing is talking with one of the workers, and then we're going to make some notes about progress that's happening on the job. So this is showing our concept of the connected job site, where you can see everything that's going on kind of live in real time and make notes, even if you're in a different state, a different place.
How are you doing this overlay? How does the technology work?
Yeah, so that's a great setup for the next video, Aaron. So we've got this I Love Construction channel.
This is called Start Smart Construction. Site Coach Start Smart Construction. So Site Coach is our whole brand of safety-related games. This one's Start Smart, site safety orientation. Next up's ladder safety, Site Coach ladder safety.
Construction channel. We're at AGC in New Orleans celebrating 100 years of construction, and this is Fred.
And I'm Fred Plotnick, CPM Construction.
Awesome. So Fred, you are basically the creator of construction scheduling. Tell us something about that.
Oh God, I'm not the creator. I will tell you what you need to do to be a good scheduler in 2 minutes. If you were a superintendent, you probably are thinking scheduling is like it was in 1910 or even earlier. And that is that you're going to go out there say, I got a crew, and I want the crew to go from here to here to here to here, and that's very important.
Yeah.
But CPM doesn't work that way. CPM basically takes how you got that in your mind.
Okay.
And then captures it. And then, okay, maybe you have to, you were wrong, or something changed. So what you were thinking isn't necessarily true anymore.
Okay, yeah, because I mean,
so
there's variables every day.
Right, so what you want to do is you don't want to say, I'm sending the crew from here to here to here to here.
Right.
I'm going backwards for the camera. You want to say that I can't put up a roof without walls.
That's right.
It doesn't help if I have a roofing crew ready to put up a roof if there are no walls there.
That's right.
I can't put up the walls without a foundation.
That's right.
So you're going to go around and you're going to capture and you're going to all the things that need to be done with no concept of trying to actually schedule a crew.
Okay.
Now, after you've entered all this into the computer, it will tell you the earliest dates, earliest it can start, earliest it can finish.
Right.
And the latest it can start and the latest it can finish. For some, this and this are the same, and that's your critical path.
Okay.
That controls the job.
Yep.
And in other cases, they're well apart.
Yeah.
Well, once you have that, you can say, well, I want to schedule the crew, so I'm working on the first, third, second, fourth, and fifth, as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it fits.
Okay.
And now you're a scheduler.
Okay.
Did it in 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Fred.
Thank you.
Watch and Bill on the Construction Channel.
This is Nolan Strom in New Orleans at the AGC 99 years. Watch and Build Construction Channel.
New Orleans fish tacos. Real deal. Amen.
And I'm going back for number